I had an epiphany this week. So we started the week and the year off on the right path. We're up on some accounts. We're even on some accounts. Options too. It's stabilized, which is great. Now, my epiphany is the people that we surround ourselves as traders, right? The people that we surround ourselves as traders, they can literally be the make or the break of us. And what I mean by that is trading is a very, and this is for me personally, but trading is a very lonely journey. It's a very stressful journey in regards to what people say, especially when you're starting out, especially when we're trying to develop, especially when we're trying to build and establish ourselves and our financial freedom. We have to surround ourselves with people that make us positive and help us stay positive, right? And so I have a cousin. She's amazing. She makes a lot of money trading wise, and I feel bad actually for bugging her, right? And she gives me the time. She gives me the effort, right? And she's someone positive in my life for trading. One of my close friends, brother to me, right? I talk to him daily about trading. And if it wasn't for him, I probably would have quit trading a long time ago, right? And understanding the vision and vice versa. So the people that we have and the people that we need around us need to be positive, right? And I'm realizing too in this trading journey, most people don't understand it. Most people don't understand our vision, and most people don't understand the grind and the attention to details for the charts and the want to be profitable and the want to make more money. And it's a lonely journey, but the people that do are the people that are going through the same exact journey with us. The people that wake up every single morning, people that are trading the different sessions, the people that are journaling, the people that are watching countless hours of YouTube. Those are the ones that understand. And so if you don't have friends, if you don't have support, if you don't have family that understands it, you need to surround yourself with people, with positive people, right? That are in the same realm as you, that understand what a stop loss is, that understands that you can make thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars. You can be financially free. That is the biggest epiphany that I had. And to be able to, one, use these people in my life as motivation, use these people as life as support, right? And also too, like, not waste their time, because it's something as traders, if someone gives me an advice and I continue to blow my account, continue to over leverage, continue to spend $1,000 for options, if my whole account is $1,000, that's on me. That's on me. That's not on anyone else. That's on me for not listening. And so, but by having the right support group, it allows us to be better, to be positive, to grow, to learn, to vent, right? But more importantly, to learn. And I think that's huge for all of us that want to be successful. When you look at the top traders, yes, I mean, a lot of them have, their own solo accounts or solo trades and stuff like that. But a lot of them know each other too. A lot of them bounce ideas off of each other. A lot of them support each other. A lot of them help each other. And when we're starting small, all we got really is YouTube or Instagram or a course or a Discord. And so what I'm saying with that is we now need to find us people that are going to motivate us, hold us accountable, say, hey, lock yourself out. Hey, don't take that trade. Give you another set of eyes when taking that trade. Give you another set of eyes when it comes to risk. Give you another set of eyes and an opinion when it comes to greed and just accountability as a whole. We need that. And in order to get to that 6-figure, 7-figure, 5-figure trader, whatever you want to be, that is exactly what we need. We need that. And so that is my biggest epiphany that I'm having now, is the people that I have around me have allowed me to grow drastically in the past year. Have allowed me to grow drastically in the past couple of years, right? From when I first found out what options were, when I first found out what stocks were, they've allowed me to grow so much. They've allowed me to develop. They've allowed me to bounce ideas off them. They've been in trades with me, right, on Zooms, right? And we're like, hey, like, what do you see? You see this? You see this? What's your thoughts? And the benefits are through the roof. You can save money. You risk less. You make more. You're learning from your mistakes. You're asking them, what did you see? How can I learn? When did you get in? And then you're back testing. We need accountability, right? Trading is a very singular, yes, it's me versus me, it's I versus, myself, right? But at the end of the day, if you can get yourself a support person, a support group, an accountability group, someone that can tell you to, pull you back off the computer if you need to, someone that can kind of remind you like, lock yourself out, someone that can help you also stay on track for the bigger vision, we're going to do better. I've seen it. I've seen how impactful it is for me as a trader, as a beginning trader. Because once again, I'm not saying I'm perfect. I'm not saying I arrived, but I can see the progress. And with one of the videos that I mentioned and I made, I was talking about at the end of the day, as long as you're progressing monthly, yearly, weekly, that's all that matters. All right. You may be blowing accounts every single day. You may be blowing accounts and resetting multiple times, 20, 50, 100. If you reset your accounts and blew 50 accounts last year, and this year you've blown one, it's progress. Don't pass 50, don't pass 100. And so we have to start looking at it from that perspective. And I think the easiest way to do it and the easiest way to stay on track is by having an accountability person or accountability group. Someone that you can talk to, someone that you can vent to, someone that you can bounce ideas off of, someone that you can also share your wins. Like, you don't understand how being able to talk to my cousin and being able to ask her questions. Sometimes I feel stupid asking questions, and she's never made me feel bad about it. She's never made me feel, just because it's repetitive. It's repetitive, right? But the fact that she's taking the time and effort is all the more reason also I want to do better, right? So that way, like, I can shout her out. I can send her a gift. I can send her a big thank you, because she's already financially free. She's bored at this point. She's trying to figure out like what to do, like a hard time, right? And you hear a lot of traders that make a lot of money. They get to this, it's like you start making that money. It's what can I do now with my money? How can I impact more people, right? And so I make this video because we shouldn't be afraid of asking for help. We shouldn't be afraid for reaching out. If you follow people online, and let's just say you don't have a friend that's doing it, you don't have a family member that's doing it, post on some of these people's comments. Some of these influencers and people with a lot of followers, they'll message back. You don't have to buy a Discord for everything, right? And the thing I love most about like my cousin, the thing I love most about like one of my best friends too as well, is that we're not charging for any of this stuff. Hey, here's a video. Go watch this. This explains top-down analysis. Hey, here's this video. This talks about trend lines. Hey, here's this video. This talks about anchor VWAPs. Right? Anything we want is accessible, but when you have the right group of people, it makes it to where it's that much better. And for all of us, we all deserve that. And so my recommendation, what I have learned and what I have seen in the moment outside looking in, is having support, having accountability, whether it's one individual, whether it's multiple individuals, people you can bounce ideas off of, people that you can talk to, people that can help you get off that computer, because that's something too, right? We've all lost trades, right? But there's sometimes too that there's that little person inside saying like, I can come back out of this hole. When in actuality, you need to just kind of walk away, reset, maybe come back later, or just take the rest of the day off, all right? Are you following your trading plans? Are you following your rules? These are things that are very, very, very important for us to succeed until we get to that place, right? And if you want to keep your group, which I will, right? Like I will keep my group, I'll keep my accountability, because it's a team. What you see, I may not see. What I see, you may not see. And we will grow together. We will make money together, right? And so all the people that have been doing this, that are making 6 figures, 7 figures, that are giving content and free and support, I commend you guys, right? And within that little bigger circle, find smaller circles, right? If you guys are going to seminars and fairs and for futures and stocks, network, right? Don't just go there just for the speakers, but network. See how you can find friends in the community or in those seminars and also conferences where it's like, hey, like, you mind trading together? You mind if we learn together? You mind if, we set up Zooms, right? Or you mind if we create a Discord where we can kind of just see what we see, right? That's going to get us to the next level, all of us. And it's important to have accountability. It's important to have support. It's important to have someone that you can vent to. It's important to have people that you can share your wins. Some of us don't even share some of the stuff with our spouses, right, or our partners, because it's lonely and they don't understand, or they feel like you're spending a lot of money and they don't see the bigger picture. So that's my rant for today. Is we all need support. We all need motivation. We all need accountability. Having a support factor like an individual or a group, a trading buddy, a trading partner will go a long way with making us more profitable. All right. And if you're not profitable, it's going to help you lose less money until you're profitable, until you have break even, and then until you're profitable. Right. And when that happens, celebrate. Tell these people thank you. Tell them how they impact you. If there's a podcast you watch, tell them how that podcast resonated with you to make you a better trader. Right. Those are things that as we're going through this grind, we're not really paying attention to it. But those are those things that make a huge difference and will make a huge difference for us as we continue to grow, as we continue to make more money, as we continue to be more impactful, right? And if you have someone that helps you down the line for free, if you have someone that has helped you and helped you vent and get away from the market when you want, or helped you get back to trading when you want to quit, you better thank them. You better thank them. Don't forget it. This is a journey. Once again, as a beginner trader, as a new trader, this is a journey for all of us. This is a journey. And do not forget the people that got you to where you were. And it can be as simple as a YouTube post, an Instagram reel, right? Or a call from a family member or a friend, or countless hours of Zoom calls with a friend or a family member. So that's my rant for today. Like, wishing you guys the best with this week, the whole entire year when it comes to trading. If you guys are not and have not started to follow this channel, follow it, like it. If you have any thoughts about this video, post it, right? I try to respond back to everybody too. And so I appreciate you guys. I'm going to try to do more videos too, because I feel like for me, it's all for me, right? I like to be able to see this evolution, this trading. I wish I would have started creating videos when I first started, because it would just been like loss. This is a loss. Whereas now, it's really more of like, at some point, I'm gonna look back at this and I'm like, damn, like that's where I was. Damn, that's the car I was driving, right? This is the video. This is where I was in life at that time, right? So that's all I got. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for all the support. Thank you guys for the views that you guys have been watching the videos, liking the posts. I've seen even some shares too as well. And if there's any way that I can help more, definitely let me know. I'm all about paying it forward, because I've had those individuals in my life that have paid it forward for me and helped me with this journey. So talk to you guys in the next video. See you guys next time.